Hello dear children, welcome back to science class. Today we are going to begin with the fourth chapter. We see many plants around us, isn't it? Yes, in that some of them are big and some others are small. Do you know that for the gardening contest, some of your friends have already started growing plants in their houses? In this chapter, we are going to learn about parts of a plant and their uses. We all know very well this is a picture of a plant, isn't it? Yes, a plant has got two main parts, that is, the root and the shoot. The part of the plant below the ground is called the root, and part of the plant above the ground is called the shoot. The part of the plant above the ground consists of branches, stem, leaves, bud, flower and fruit. In general, there are two different types of roots in plants. They are taproot and fibrous root. The main root, as you see here in the picture, which is marked in white color, that grows from the base of the stem is called taproot. As you can see here in the picture, taproot has got many small side roots which grow from this main root. While fibrous roots are a bunch of thin and small roots that grows from the base of the stem. Pea, sunflower, carrot and mustard are some of the plants which have taproot. While grass, onion, rice and wheat are some plants which have fibrous root. Having understood the different types of roots, now let us see what are the functions of roots. Root is the part of the plant that holds the plant firmly in the soil. Root also absorbs water and minerals that are dissolved in water from the soil. Some of the plants have roots which stores food, and such roots are called as storage roots. Do you know that these roots are edible? Yes, we eat them. Some of the examples are radish, as you see here in the picture, carrot, which we have already seen, turnip and sweet potatoes. So these vegetables are actually the roots of that particular plant. Now we have learnt about the part of the plant below the ground called the root. We will now see about the part of the plant above the ground called the shoot. The main part of the shoot is the stem, as you see here in the picture. Stem is the part of the plant which bears the branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Different plants have different types of stems. Some of the plants have got stems which are hard, thick and woody. Such stems which are hard, thick and woody are called the trunk of the plant. Shisham and neem are some examples of those plants which have hard, thick and woody stem. As you see here in the picture, hard, thick and woody stem, which is otherwise called as the trunk of this tree. Some other plants have got stems which are soft and green, as you see here in the picture, like in the case of banana plant. While some other plants have got very soft and weak stem. Such plants are called climbers. Examples of such plants are watermelon, grapevine and money plant. Money plant, as you see here in the picture, has got very soft and weak stem, and they are called as climbers. This is because they cannot stand on its own. They depend on some other object or some other plant for its growth. We will now see what is the role of this stem in a plant. Stem is the part of the plant which keeps the plant upright, as you can see here in the picture. As we have already learned, it bears branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Some of the plants have got stems which stores food. Examples of such plants are sugarcane, potato and ginger. and that is why the stems of such plants are edible, which means we can eat them. Stem carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves of the plant. It also carries food that is prepared in the leaves to different parts of the plant.